Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Up to now, we've been using multi-level indexing for rows, but it also works with columns. In this part, we'll create a 4-dimensional data frame with 2 levels of indexing for the rows and 2 levels of indexing for the columns. The data frame is supposed to represent the total values of sales and purchases of 3 companies in 2017, 2018, and 2019 in 2 6-month periods for each year. We're going to use some mock integer data in example. Have a look. Here are our imports. Now here's the multi-index for the rows. So the years, the periods, and we set names to year and period. Here's the multi-index for the columns. We also use the from product method here. And here we have the company names, then sales and purchases, and we set names to company and total value. Here's some mock data. So we use the random method from numpy to create some random mock data and the data frame itself. So here we create the data frame, we pass data to the constructor, we set index to rows and columns to columns. And what we get is this. You can now index the data frame to access the data that you need. Here are some examples. Let's access the sales and purchases for company B. Company B, sales and purchases. So we just use this index here, company B. And what we get is the data just for company B. And now let's access just the sales for company C. So company C, sales. Company C, sales. And what we get is the according data. So year by year, period by period, and here are the sales for company C. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.